Hi. Here we're going to solve a problem. This is from section 3.4. They ask you to find the 5-number summary and construct a box plot. So first of all, what I would do is copy our data into a table and bring it on over to Excel and paste it in. So I believe I have all the data. It's 20 different numbers. The first thing I would do too is maybe sort the data from smallest to biggest. Remember, you go over to this little funnel looking thing and you sort it from smallest to largest. So there, I did that. So now it's going from 19.7 down to 33.3 for this example. Now the 5-number summary, the first number is the minimum number in the data, the smallest number in the data. So gee, there it is, it's 19.7. So I'm going to type that in right now, 19.7. And the last number is just the maximum number in the data. Oh gee, there that is, it's 33.3. So you're 2/5 of the way there. Now there's 3 more things we got to figure out. See these 3 empty boxes? The first one is Q1, the first quartile. The second one is Q2, and the third number is Q3. Now what are those? Those are quartiles. What do they mean? Well, Q1 is similar to P25, which I believe you already saw in previous problems. And what that means, it's what data value is 25% less than that value and 75% of the data is higher than that value. That's what Q1 is. Q2 is similar to P50. So what data value are 50% lower than it and 50% higher than that data value? And then Q3, think of quarters, you guys. Q3 is like P75. What data value are 75% lower and only 25% higher? So let's see if we can figure this out using Excel. You can, it's great. So what I would do is probably click on the cell at the bottom, go on up to our friend FX, go into statistical, and come on down. Now I think I mentioned in a previous video, I have an older version of Excel on my PC here at home, so you might not see exactly what I see, but what you want to find, oops, I went too far. What you want to find is quartile dot, I believe it's .inc. I just have quartile, but you want to select that one that says quartile.inc. So you select that and you say OK. So quartile.inc. And the first thing it asks for is like an array. In other words, what numbers do you want to deal with? So I come back over here and I just highlight my numbers. So it's A1 through A20 in this case. Now, then it says quart. So it's really easy, guys. If you want to find the first quartile, you just type a 1 in there. And oh, here it is, 23.75. So I come over to my math lab and I type in 23.75. Now, if I want Q2, which is the next number, I just change that 1 to a 2. Oh, look at that, it's 26. So I type in a 26. Then what do you think? For quartile 3, which is like P75, you type in a 3. Oh, it's 27.7. 27.7. And you cross your fingers and you check your answer. Good job, we got it right. The next thing they want you to do is pick the correct picture. Now sometimes I have a little trouble with these because I can't see as good, but these the first line here and the last line here, that's your max and your min. Then Q1's here, Q2's here, Q3's here. So we just got to figure out which one of these is right. Let's see. It looks like we got 23.75, 26, 27.7. So it kind of seems like the 26 and the 27 are kind of close. So let's see. It looks like it's this one. I'll give it a shot and I'll check the answer, and I got it right. And I live to go on to another problem.